আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আপনাদের সকলকে গুরুকুল অনলাইন লার্নিং নেটওয়ার্কে স্বাগতম। আমি আপনাদের সাথে আছি শেখ মাহাদি। আমাদের আজকের সাবজেক্ট ফাইন্যান্স, চ্যাপ্টার 3, টাইম ভ্যালু অফ মানি। সো ফার্স্টলি লেটস স্টার্ট উইথ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দ্য কনসেপ্ট অফ টাইম ভ্যালু অফ মানি। সেকেন্ড, explain the concept of present and future value of money. Third, calculate the present and the future value of the money. And lastly, understanding the concept of annuity. Concept of time value of money. Money is used as a medium of exchange in every economy in this world. It's known to all of us. It's very basic. The value of money basically depends on its purchasing power, like how many products or how much services can be purchased by a specific amount of money. For example, it says the value of money. Suppose you have a 5 taka note and a 1000 taka note. If you go to a grocery shop, if you give the shopkeeper a 5 taka note, you can barely purchase up to a candy or a candy bar. But if you have the 1000 taka note and provide it to the grocer, you can almost buy any kind of product in that particular grocery shop. So the value of money differs over there. Financial decision making in values evaluating a situation which an investor pays money at one point and receives return at some later date. Money paid and received at two different points in this time at different in value, and this difference is known as the time value of money. Suppose, let's look back 20 years ago. At that time, when you purchased 1 kilogram of rice, you almost could have gotten it with taka. How much? 30, 20, or even sometimes 10. But let's look now. If you have to purchase 1 kilogram of rice, it almost cost 70, 72, 75, and lowly, at the least, it takes 60 taka. So that's how we can tell the difference between the time value of money. Lastly, it's known that the value of money reduces over time, that 1 taka today is more valuable than 1 taka tomorrow. Concept of present and future value of money. Present value. Present value represents the present value of an amount that is received at a future date, or the present value of the money is the value of a future stream of revenues that costs in term of current value. With the help of present value concept, different investments decision can be made. By adjusting the future values of a project with discount rate, investors can get easily the net present day work of an investment. Then the future value. The future value refers to the money value at some future time of a present amount of money or a series of payment. Future value can be determined through using the mathematical concept named compounding. The process of finding the future value of payment or series of payments by applying the concept of the compounding I. So let's take a closer look at the calculation of present value, PV. PV refers to present value, FB future value. N denotes number of years or period. I equals to annual rate of interest. So the formula of present value is FB divided by 1 plus I to the power n. So let's look at the stem. Asif wants to buy a Merida bicycle when he will be going to the university. He is now a first year student of the college. He requires taka BDT to 25,000 to purchase that, and he got it 2 years. Asif's grandmother agreed to give him the money now. How much Asif will ask from his grandmother if the interest rate is 10%? The solution is simple. Asif should ask from his grandmother present value of BDT 25,000. So let's look at the solution. As mentioned earlier, the formula of present value is equal to FB, future value divided by 1 plus I to the power n. So the future value of that bicycle was 25,000. 25,000 divided by 1 plus 0.10. That 0.10 is the 10% interest, the percent in hundreds, equal to, so we'll just add the 1 plus 10, 1.10 whole square. We'll square it and then divide it by 25,000. We'll get an amount of 20,661. So the future value. The future value's formula is a bit different from that one. So as we all know, FB is equal to future value, PV present value, I annual rate of interest, and number n is equal to number of years. Future value is equal to present value into 1 plus I to the power n. So let's look at the example. Abir wants a deposit of 5,000 in IFIC bank for 5 years. If the deposit rate of IFIC bank is 9.5, then what amount will be accumulated in Abir's account after 5 years? So after 5 years, the deposit would be further value of BDT 5000 at 9.5 interest rate. Let's take a look at the solution. So future value is equal to PV into 1 plus I to the power n. The value of PV is 5000 into 1 plus the interest rate, which was 9.5. So if we make it in a percentage shape, it will be 0.095. So we will add 1 plus 0.095 and then we'll to the power 5, 1.095 to the power 5 into 5000. That will bring it up to an amount of 7871.19. That can be deducted. So after 5 years, the deposit amount will become BDT 7871. So let's take a look at the concept of annuity. An annuity is a stream of equal periodic cash flow over a specified period of time. Suppose in a year's 12 month, annuity is a stream of equal periodic cash flow. At the end or the beginning of every month, a specified amount of cash will be transferred to an account, or the cash flow as we know it. These cash flows of returns on investment or outflows of funds to earn a future return. So an annuity has two unique characters: equal amount of payment at every installment, and secondly, same time interval. Types of annuity: ordinary annuity. Cash flows occur at the end of each period, like at the end of every year or every month, we could say. Annuity due. Cash flow occurs at the beginning of each period, or so it can be like at the beginning of a year or the beginning of a month. So if you have any kind of questions regarding this topic, you can let us know down in the comment section, and if you like the video, please share. Thank you.